Welcome to Bjk-Neet&Med. In this video, I am going to discuss about motion in a straight line, a topic of Neet-Physics. Let us do the problems related to motion in a straight line. A person travels along a straight road for half the distance with velocity v1 and the remaining distance with the velocity v2. The average velocity is. Here, half of the distance, let us consider the total distance as s. So half distance is s by 2 and the other displacement is s by 2. With this time taken for the first half of the distance is t1, second half of the distance is t2, and first half of the distance is v1, second half will be v2. Actually, average velocity formula is net displacement by total time taken. Net displacement, total displacement is s itself. We have v bar equals to ds bar by dt. In the place of the t, we can submit as s by v. So here total displacement is s, total time taken is t1 plus t2. Here t1 is s1 by v1, but here s1 is s by 2. So s by 2 v1 plus s by 2 v2. When we take s by 2 common, 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2, here s gets cancelled. It will become v1 plus v2 by 2 v1 v2. Hence 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is the formula. A cyclist takes 1 minute to complete half revolution on a circular path of 120 meters radius. What is the average velocity? Half of the revolution of the circular path is completed in 1 minute. Total time taken is 1 minute. Here radius is 120 meters. Displacement is the shortest path between initial and final points. So initial point is this one and final point is this one. Displacement will be s equals to 2r, which is 240 meters. Average velocity equals to net displacement by total time taken. It equals to 240 meters by total time is 1 minute. So it is 60 seconds. 6 4 ja 24. So it is 4 meters per second. If final velocity is represented by the formula v equals to under root 180 minus 7x, acceleration equals to what? If we get the root on this side, it becomes v square minus 180 minus 7x. This resembles the formula v square minus u square. When we v square minus u square equals to 2as. When we get u square on the right side, it becomes v square equals to u square plus 2as. If we write v square equals to u square plus 2as, v square is same, 180 is u square, minus 7x is 2as. So minus 7x equals to 2a. S is nothing but x, displacement. X gets cancelled. Then acceleration equals to minus 7 by 2, which is minus 3.5 meters per second. Meters per second square. If a body falls from 80 meters, its time of descent is if g equals to 10 meters per second. In freely falling body, u is 0. S is 80 meters. Acceleration is g, which is 10 meters per second square, which is actually positive. In the freely falling body, both the directions are same. Time of descent is to be found out. S equals to ut plus of 80 square. Then 80 equals to of 10 into t square. t square equals to 16, t equals to 4 seconds. A wheel of circumference c is at rest on the ground. When the wheel rolls forward through half of the revolution, then what is the displacement of point of contact? If we consider a wheel initial point of contact to the ground as A, opposite point as B, center point as O, this is R. If it travels revolution off of the revolution, then the distance travel of the point of contact of the ground is half of the circumference. Then by the half of the revolution, B point comes downward, A point goes upward. Then the distance between these 2 points is 2r. Actually circumference is 2 pi r. Then 2r equals to c by pi. 2r equals to c by pi. Then he asked the displacement of point of contact, means this is what we have to find out. According to Pythagoras theorem, displacement of point of contact is under root c by 2 whole square plus c by pi whole square. By taking c outside, c under root 1 by 4 plus 1 by pi square.